Good evening, good evening, good evening all. Hi, all of you. Very good evening to all of you. So this is our second class.
Power on. Adios, amigo. Powering on.
So how are you all? Many students are joining, still joining. Hello, good evening, good evening. So how are you all? Good evening, good evening. Very good, fine. How are you, ma'am? I'm also fine. Thank you. Thank you. So last day we have learned about number system. So let's see today what are we going to learn. Okay. So let's see. Just wait. Let me share with you the screen. So today our topic is fraction. Yes? Fraction, yes. So do you know something about fraction? What is fraction? Okay, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good. You know about fraction. So today at first, let's see some concepts about fraction and we'll solve some questions of fraction. Okay, from Maths Olympiad question. So let's start. Let's see first what is fraction. And this is our second class. I am Swarnali ma'am. Is to divide a object. Okay. You know, fraction means basically a part of a whole, you know, or object or a collection. Just like here you can see there is a structure and here we divide this in four parts. When an object is divided into but it's four equal parts, then each part is called 1/4 of the whole. Okay. Just like here you can see there is a structure, here is the object, and here is four parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. But one is shaded part and another is unshaded part. There are two parts here, shaded part and unshaded part. Yes. So fraction of shaded part would be 1, 2, 3. Fraction of shaded part would be 1, 2, 3. And the four, there are four whole parts and shaded part is 3. So that means fractions of shaded part would be 3/4. Okay. So, and fraction of unshaded parts, and there is only one part is unshaded. So, fraction of unshaded part would be 1/4 because there are four whole parts. So, that means 1/4. Fraction of unshaded part is 1/4 and shaded part is 3/4. Okay. Now let's see some more things about, learn more about fraction and then we'll solve the question. So what are the things, you know, the fractions include two parts as already we have seen, na? That's 1/2 or 1/4. There are two parts in whole number. There are only one part just like 12, 13. But here in fraction, there are two parts. Okay. So the fraction is two parts. The parts are called numerator and the denominator. Na? A numerator means it is the upper part of the fraction and represent the section of the fraction. Got it? And denominator would be, it is the lower part that represent the total parts in which the fraction is divided. Just like here you can see it's 3/4. So 3 is our numerator and 4 is our denominator. Okay? 3 is the upper part and 4 is the lower part. That is the two parts of the fraction. ऊपर का पार्ट और नीचे का पार्ट, ठीक है? So 3 is the upper part, that is numerator, and 4 is the denominator. Got it? So now let's see what are the divisions. You know, there are so many types of fraction, just like proper, improper, mixed, like, and unlike fraction, equivalent fraction. So do you know about something? What are proper fractions? Proper means 3 by 4, where the ऊपर वाला I mean the numerator is lesser than the denominator. That means denominator would be higher. Okay, it is lesser than the denominator. There is called the proper fraction. So it is just like 3 by 4, 1 by 3 by 4, 1 by 2, okay, 3 by 5. These all are called proper fraction. Proper fraction. That means in proper fraction, numerator is lesser than the denominator. Now let's see what is improper fraction. Improper means opposite, just like where denominator is lesser than the numerator. Here you can see 6 by 5. So here 6 is greater than 5. In improper fraction, it is improper. Okay, it is improper fraction. And in proper fraction would be 3 by 4. This is proper fraction. Got it? Proper and improper. Okay, so it's proper and improper. I know properly and improper. Very good. So this is proper and improper. And another is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Can you tell me what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means there are two parts. One is whole wala part and fraction. These two parts together called mixed fraction. 2 and 3 by 2. Just like 1 and half. Where there are two parts. One is whole number wala part and fraction. These two mixed, it's mixed fraction called mixed fraction. So we already know about 3 types of fraction: proper, improper, and mixed fractions. Okay, so now let's see what are like fractions. Do you know about like fractions? To know about like fractions, you know, like fractions are the fractions just like here there are 2 fractions, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. Can you tell me why these 2 fractions are called like fractions? Can you tell me? One by 2 and 3 by 2. There are 2 fractions. You know, these 2 fractions are called like fractions. Why? Because you can see denominators are same. If in the fraction the denominators are same, then the fractions would call like fractions. मतलब denominators अगर same हो उसे like fractions कहते हैं. Just like 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, in all the numbers you can see the denominators are same. If in the fraction denominators are same, then the fractions are called like fractions. Okay, so 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 are the examples of like fractions. Got it? Now let's see what are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means obviously denominators जिसकी same ना हो उसे unlike कहते हैं. Okay, so if denominators are not same, then the fractions are called unlike fractions. Just like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, okay, 1 by 4, these all are called unlike fractions. Understood? So now let's see equivalent fraction. Do you know about equivalent fractions? I will tell you. Here you can see, let's take a number, just like a fraction. Just like here you can see 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3, whenever we multiply 2 by 3, that means the numerator and the denominator with the same number, just like 2 into 2 and 3 into 2. Upar with 2 and niche also with 2. With denominator and numerator with the same number, just like 2 into 2 and 3 into 2 will get what? 4 by 6. And you know, these two called are equivalent fractions. Just like if we multiply 2 by 3, 2 with 3 and also 3 by 3. So what we'll get? We will get 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 3 is 9. So these all are called equivalent fractions. Okay? So these all are called equivalent fractions. 2 by 3, whenever we multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number, we will get the equivalent fraction of that fraction. Just like 2 by 3, here you see 2 into 2, 3 into 2, and it's 4 by 6. Then again, 2 by 3, 2 into 3 and 3 into 3, and we'll get 6 by 9. So these all are called equivalent fractions. Okay, fine. So these are some concepts of fractions. So if you have any query, you can ask me. Then let's solve some interesting questions. Yes, someone is writing 3 by 4 is proper fraction, 5 by 2 is improper fraction. Yes, correct you are. 3 by 4 is proper fraction and 5 by 2 is improper fraction. Okay, so now can you tell me anyone? I give you here a fraction, 1 by 2. Can you tell me 3 equivalent fraction of this fraction? Okay, here we have 1 by 2, half. So just can you write 3 equivalent fractions or 2 equivalent fractions? Chalo, 2 equivalent fraction. You have to write, here our number is half, 1 by 2. And you have to write 2 equivalent fractions. So let's start. Try to write this, the 2 equivalent fractions of half. Divyanshi, very good. 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Five by 10. Okay, it's also right. Very good. 2 by 4. So it would be whenever we multiply it by 2. 2 by 1 will get 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 by 4 and another would be if we multiply 3 into 1 is 3, then 3 into 2 is 6. Similarly, it's 5 by 10. Okay, and it's continued. Yes, very good, very good. 5 by 10, 3 by 6, 2 by 4, 4 by 2, no? 2 by 4, not 4 by 2, because I'm asking about here the equivalent fractions of half, 1 by 2. 6 by 11, no, 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 no. Wrong. In this way, we have to do just see 1 by 2 is equals to 1 into 2 and 2 into 2. So what we'll get? 2 and 4. Okay. In this way, we have to do half is equals to 2 by 4. Next would be 3 into 1 and 3 into 2. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. And next would be 4. 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, these would be the equivalent fractions. 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. In this way, we have to move on. Okay. Yes, 6 by 12, it's fine. 6 by 12, 3 by 6, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 5 by 10. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. So, understood, na? It's so easy to do equivalent fractions. And by solving some question, we'll learn some more concepts of fraction. Very good, very good. So many answers I got. Very good. So let's start. Let's see our first question. Let's solve one question. Okay. And this is the question. So first try to solve this. You see, our question is here. Let me read the question first. Once has a bag that contains 3 red, 1 blue, 6 green, and 2 yellow marbles. What fractional part of the bag of marbles is red? That we have to find out, okay? And here we have 4 options. Which would be the correct one? That we have to find out. So try to solve this first. What would be the answer? Try to solve this first. See, wow. Many answers I have already got. Very nice, very good. So let's check the answers. You see, we have 3 red ones as 3 red ball, 1 blue, 6 green, and 2 yellows. That means how many total marbles? There are 12 marbles. And just we have to find out the red. The bag of marbles is red. That we have to only find out. So for that, what we have to do? Just we have to divide 3, and we have 3 red balls already, which saw in the question that we have 3 red balls. So just our fraction would be 3 by the whole number, and that is 12. So it would be 3 by 12. Okay. And your answers are very, yes, 3 by 12. 3 by 12. Very good. Is 3 by 12. And we have 4 options. Which would be the correct one? Then C. C is the right one. Answer C is the right one. Is 3 by 12. Okay. So just we have to count the total numbers and the value that we have to find out. Just like here, we have to find out how many red balls red marbles fraction. So what we have to do? 3 red marbles. So just we have to do the fraction in this way. 3 by 12 and just in this way. Okay, it's so easy to do. 3 by 12. Okay. So if I told you to find out fractional part of the bag of marble is green, then what we have to do? Which would be the answer? 6 green. What fractional part of the bag of marble is green? Can you find out? What fractional part of the bag of marble is green? Yes, 6 by 12. Correct, 6 by 12. Very good. Ma'am, name is Afreen. Hi, Afreen. Try to solve this question. Is 6 by 12. Yes. Okay, so let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Question number 2. Just we have to find out what fraction of the figure is shaded. Is 6 by 12. Very good. 6 by 12. Now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. What fraction of the figure is shaded? You can see here is a figure and you have to find out the fraction of the shaded part. Okay. So try to solve this. Then I will show you which would be the answer. Oh God, here the answer is there. So can you solve this? So let's see the answer. You can see that this figure, how many the total parts we have to count first. And you see 1, 2, just wait. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. And the shaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4. So fraction would be 4 by 8 only. 4 by 8, that is the answer. So answer A is the answer. Why? Because when we simplified 4 by 8, we get half, 1 by 2 in this way. Okay. So that's all. Our answer is 4 by 8. So whenever you simplify 4 by 8, we will get 1 by 2. And here we got half. Okay. So our answer is A, half. Very good. Answer is A, 1 by 2. Because what we have to do in fractional question, just count the parts first, the whole parts. Okay. And then the shaded parts we have to count, and just the shaded part would be the numerator and the total part would be the denominator. That's all. In this way, we have to solve the fraction questions. Okay. So it is 4 by 8. So it's our answer is half, 1 by 2. Okay. So it's A. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Next is our question is, what fraction of letters are vowels? Okay, in histograms words. So can you solve this? Histograms. You have to find out the fraction of letters are vowels in histograms. So try to solve this, then I will show you the answer. Okay, all the best. Try to solve histograms. Wow, so many answers got. So let's check the answer. So histograms, first what you have to do? We have to count the letters. So how many letters we have? You see, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 letters here. And vowels, how many vowels that you have to find out. So you all know na vowels. What are the vowels? There are 5 vowels only in English alphabet. Is A, E, I, O, U. That's all. So let's check which are there. First is I, then O, then A. Just there are only 3 vowels are there. So that means 3 is the vowels and the total letters are there 10. So what would be the fraction? 3 by 10. Yes. So answer would be C, because in answer C there is 3 by 10. So answer is C, 3 by 10. In this way we have to solve. Very good. 3 by 10. So many answers already you have given. Very good. And all are correct. It's 3 by 10. It's C. Very good. Very good. So how are the questions? Are we enjoying? Let's solve some more questions. Very good. It's 3 by 10. Very good. Okay. So let's solve some more question. Now the next question here is, fraction of numbers in the given series is this. So we have to find out. Here you can see in this series, there are so many things. I mean numbers and letters also. Letters and numbers. So what we have to find out? We have to find out fraction of numbers in the series. So what you have to do, let me help you some, then you have to find out the answer. So you have to count all the letters and numbers in the series total, and then you have to count the number, how many numbers are there, okay? And then just find out the fraction, that's all. So try to solve this first, then I will show you the answer, okay? Wow, many answers are coming. It's saying is C, 7 by 17. Very good, 7 by 17. So let's see it. So that means let's count the letters and the numbers here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Yes. And let's count the numbers. How many numbers are there? Here we can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7, that's all. So 7 are the numbers. So what would be the fraction? 7 by 17. That's all. 7 by 17 is very good. So it's 7 by 17 and here are our, in the option C, there is 7 by 17. So option C is the right one, 7 by 17. Very good, 7 by 17, not 7 by 15, it's 7 by 17. Okay, so let's move on. Let's solve our next question. Very good. So let's move on, okay? Now the next question you can see, in the given fraction, 2 by 3 is equals to x by 9 is equals to 4 by y. And here both x and y number value is same, okay? X and y here, the value is same. What is the number that we have to find out? Okay. What is the number that you have to find out? Here you can see is 2 by 3 is equals to x by 9 equals to 4 by y. So we have to find out the value of x and y. You know, both the value x and y, x equals to y basically. So we have to find out x and y. What would be the answer? Can you find out? Answer 6. Answer 6. Wow. Good. Some people are saying C, 2 and some say 6. Okay, so let's see it A or C. Which would be the correct one? Let's see. Okay. You see, first is 2 by 3 is equals to x by 9. Or here you can see we have denominator as 9. So how can we get 9? And they are showing 2 by 3 equals to x by 9. And we have already learned about equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means we have to multiply the same number with numerator and the denominator. So here we have x by 9. So that means we have to multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. Okay. Because here already we have 9. So how can we get 9? Whenever we multiply 3 by 3, we get 9. So obviously we have to multiply 2 by 3. Okay, because it's equivalent fraction. So it's 6 by 9. Okay, 2 into 3 and 3 into 3. So it's 6 by 9. Okay, fine. We got it. In the next case, 2 by 3 is equals to 4 by y. And here we have 4. That means if we multiply 2 by 2, we'll get 4. So on same case, we will multiply 3 by 2 for y. So here you see is 3 into 2 and 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 2 is 6. So we got the value. So answer A is the right one. That means x is equals to y is equals to 6. Okay, x is equals to y is equals to 6. That is the answer. A is the right one. A is the right one. Very good. X is equal to Y is equals to 6. Understood? Hope you understood. Ma'am, don't know. So kindly check the answer. I wrote all the procedures here. Okay. A, not C. Answer would be A. This is the explanation. I understood. Very good, very good. So let's move on. Question number 6. Let's see. This is our question number 6. Okay, let's read the question. You all like pizzas? So here is a pizza. And we have here Riyansh. Riyansh cuts a pizza into 8 pieces. He gives 5 to his brother. What fraction of the pizza did Riyansh get? That we have to find out. So it's so easy. Riyansh cuts a pizza into 8 pieces and he gives 5 pieces to his brother. So what fraction of the pizza did Riyansh get? That we have to find out. It's very easy. So you people are very talented. So very first, quickly give me the answer. Three by eight. 3 by 8. Yes, yes, very good. It is would be the answer 3 by 8 because there are 8 pieces of pizza and he already give 5 pizzas to his brother. So how many 8 minus 5 is 3. That means 3 parts. Out of 3 parts, Riyansh got out of 3 parts out of 8. Okay, so that means what would be the fraction is 3 by 8 obviously. So 3 by 8 is the answer. So answer B is the right one. Okay, 3 by 8. Very good. It's 3 by 8. No, not 4 by 8 is 3 by 8. Hope you understood. It's so easy. Just we have to subtract only and then find out the answer. Now, let's move on. Let's solve our next question. Question number 7. Which of the following fraction has numerator 3 and denominator 5? Can you find out? Three by 8. Very good. It is the right one. 3 by 8. Yes, so easy. So now solve this question. Question number 7. Which of the following fraction has numerator 3 and denominator 5? So let's see the answer. Did you solve the question? You see, first is 3 plus 4 by 5. 3 plus 4 means 7. So 7 by 5. So it's not it is not the answer. So let's eliminate this. Now let's move on option B. Here we have 3 plus 2 by 5. 3 plus 2 means 5. Then again 5. 5 by 5 is 1. So let's eliminate this. It's not all. Obviously, it's not the right one. So let's move on then option C. Option C here you can see is 3 plus 0 by 5. And 3 plus 0 by 5 means what? 3 plus 0 is 3. And there is in denominator there is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. Whenever we add any number with 0, we'll get the same number. So 3 plus 0 is 3 and it's 5. So it is our answer. So option C is the right one. Okay. C is the right one. 3 plus 0 by 5. Very good. Is 3 plus 0 by 5. C is the right one. Okay. Okay, so is answer C is the right one. 3 plus 0 by 5. Okay, very good. It is answer C is the right one. So now let's move on. Let's solve next question. Which of the following shows the fraction of empty glass? That you have to find out. And there are 4 options here. Which would be the right one? Which of the following shows, here you can see a picture, shows the fraction of empty glass? That you have to find out. So which of the following shows the fraction of empty glass? Can you find out? What we have to do? Just we have to count how many glasses we have and then count the empty glasses and we can find out the fraction. Okay. So let's see how many glasses are there. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 glasses here. Okay. And empty glasses would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are empty glasses are 4. That means what is the fraction? Is 4 by 8. 4 by 8 would be the answer. So fraction of empty glass would be 4 by 8. Very good. Is 4 by 8. Answer B. B is the answer. Here you can see that there are 4 options and B is the right one. 4 by 8. Very good. 4 by 8 is the right one. B. 4 by 8. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Very good, very good. 4 by 8. So many answers I got. 4 by 8. Very nice. Great job, dear children. So let's move on. Question number 9 for you. Here you see Harsh goes to school on bicycle traveling 2 and 1/3 kilometer daily. Okay. How much distance does he travel from home to school and back to home by taking the same route in 6 days? That we have to find out. And we have uh, 4 options. Which would be the right one? That we have to find out. Okay. So try to solve this. So let's check the answer. Okay. You see, Harsh goes to school on bicycle and traveling 2 and 1/3 kilometer daily. And here is Harsh home and here is Harsh school. Okay. And here is Harsh. And he is going 2 and 1/3 kilometer daily. Okay. 2 and 1/3 kilometer from home to school. And whenever he come back from school, he again move the same route he have to travel and he again move 2 and 1/3 kilometer. Okay. So that means how much distance you travel? You can tell me? 2 and 1/3 kilometer. That means you have to travel 2 and 1/3 kilometer 2 times. Okay. So what you have to do? First here you can see is 2 and 1/3. So it is a mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. And then we add just. Okay. You see it's 2 and 1/3. So that means whenever we convert it into the improper fraction, it would be 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So it would be 7 by 3. Okay. Now here is also same 7 by 3. 7 by 3 kilometer. That means, but so the total distance would be 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Okay. But you see, instead of doing this addition, we can do the multiplication because he is traveling 2 times 7 by 3 kilometers. So 2 into 7 by 3. Because multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So we can do multiplication 2 here. So 2 into 7 by 3. And it's 14 by 3 kilometer distance. Okay. Now our question is how 14 by 3 kilometers he is traveling daily. That means in one day. So how much distance he will travel in 6 days, that we have to find out. So for that what we have to do? Just we have to multiply 14 by 3 with 6. Just हमें multiply करना है 14 by 3 with 6. That's all. Okay. 14 by 3 into 6. So it's 28. 14 into 2 is 28. So it's 28 kilometer. And here you can see there are 4 options. C is the right one. Is 28 kilometer. Okay. So it's 28 kilometer. Did you understand? C is the right one. Is 28 kilometer. In this way, you have to solve this type of question whenever you got this type of question. Okay. C is the right one. Is 28 kilometer. Very good. C is the right one and it's 28 kilometer. So let's move on. If you have any query, you can ask me about this question. It's 28 kilometer. Did you understand now? Someone is saying internet issues. Hello, ma'am. It's 28 kilometer, not 22. So did you understand? Is 28, 20. Okay, so let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Question number 10. It's so easy question. Try to solve this. Monica likes all numbers which have 0 at the unit place. Okay. What fraction of numbers in the box she dislikes? That we have to find out. Monica likes all numbers which have 0 at the unit place. What fraction of numbers in the box she dislikes? That we have to find out. A, B, C, D, there are 4 options. So what do we have to do? Can you tell me? It's so easy. Five by 11. So first what we have to do? We have to count all the numbers and then just we have to find out how many numbers have 0 on the unit place. And then we have to find out the fraction. Okay. So easy. So let's count. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 numbers here. And how many numbers have 0 on the unit place? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers have 0 on the unit place. So our answer would be 5 by 11. Okay, so answer is B, 5 by 11. Total numbers is 11 and 5, the numbers have 0 in the on the unit place. So fraction would be 5 by 11. So answer is B. Fine, very good. 5 by 11. Many answers already have come is 5 by 11. You have network issues. Okay. So later on you can check the video. Okay. All the explanation are there. Jivan is asking that you have some network issue. So don't worry. The video is already there in the YouTube. So you can check all the explanation later on. Okay. Yes, B, B, B. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. So the next question is, what fraction of shuttlecocks in the given series? Okay. So you can see there are so many things are given: footballs, balls, okay, and shuttlecock. So we have to find out that what is the fraction of shuttlecock in this given series. So let's count first how many things we have there. Okay. So let's count first. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 things are there. Balls, footballs, okay, cricket balls, many things, shuttlecocks, many things are there. And how many shuttlecocks only? You see just 1 and 2. There are 2 shuttlecocks only. So what would be the fraction? Is so easy, is 2 by 11. That's all. It is 2 by 11. That is the answer. Okay. And in option B, you can see it's 2 by 11. So answer option B is the right one. Answer is the B, 2 by 11. And you know, in Olympiad exam, this type of question आएगा ही आएगा, must. ऐसी टाइप क्वेश्चन. सो बहुत सारा ऐसे क्वेश्चन हमें प्रैक्टिस करना है. अगर हम करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली यू विल डू फाइन इन ओलंपियाड एग्जाम. सो बट काउंट ऑलवेज इन अ गुड वे. ओके. बिकॉज समटाइम्स हम अगर गलत काउंटिंग करते हैं तो उसी में गलती हो जाते हैं. ओके. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन. लेट्स सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन. इट्स 2 by 11. Yes, 2 by 11. Answer is B. Now let's move on. This is our next question. Can you try to solve this? Read this question first, okay? Priya and Shoma decorating a rangoli for Diwali festival. Priya will fill colors in 4 by 12 of petals, and Shoma will color 2 by 12 of petals. What fraction of the petals is left to fill with colors? That we have to find out. How long this class? Why? Getting bored? Just or 2 more questions? और 1-2 questions करते हैं ना? Are you not enjoying? I think you are enjoying. So many people are interesting and they are participating. They always answering. So let's solve some more questions. Question number 12 is very easy to do. There are two people and they are decorating fill colors 4 by 12 with petals, and Shoma will color 2 by 12 of petals. What fraction of petals is left to fill with colors? That's only. So let's check the answer. You see, it's 4 by 12. Okay, Priya will fill colors in 4 by 12 of petals, and Shoma 2 by 12. So just we have to, what we have to do? You see, we have to find out what fraction of petals is left to fill with colors. That means total part is here 1. 1 is the full part, and we have to add these two, okay, coloring part, and then we have to subtract it from 1. That's all. In this way, we have to find out the answer. Okay. So first we have to add 4 by 12 plus 2 by 12, and then we will subtract the answer from 1, the whole part, and we'll get how that part only left to fill with colors. Okay. So let's do it. So 1 minus 4 by 12 plus 2 by 12, and that will be 6 by 12. You know, 6 by 12. 1 minus 6 by 12. It is 1 minus 12. 4 plus 2. You see, 1 minus 6 by 12. Now, whenever you're doing this subtraction, we'll get 12 into 1 is 12. 12 and here we have 12 and 12. So here we have 6. So 12 minus 6 is 6 by 12. Okay. 6 by 12. In this way, we have to do 6 by 12. Okay. So hope you understood. It's 6 by 12. In this way, we have to solve the question. So our answer is 6 by 12. And here we have 4 options. 6 by 12 in option A is the right one. So A is the right one, is 6 by 12. Answer is A. Okay, fine. Very good. So I think the people, so you wanna solve some question, or I will complete this class today? Or next day we'll solve some more questions now. So many questions today we have solved, and you people are very good because you have given all the answers are right, and that's very good. So practice always. Okay, so many questions are there, and practice all the questions. And if you practice, always practice makes us the master. So practice is very important in maths. So it is answer A. So one more question. We will solve today, but it depends on people who are here. Some people are asking to solve some more questions. So for them, the people who want to, the students who want to solve some more question, for them, the question number 13. So try to solve this. Okay. Try to solve this. The students who are interested to solve the questions, for them there is another question. Which figure is with 2 by 8 shaded? It's so easy. Try to solve this and then I will complete today's class. Okay. So try to solve this question. A, B, C, D. Which figure is with 2 by 8 shaded? That is all. Last question. Try to solve this question. Which figure is with 2 by 8 shaded? It's very easy. You know, answer D is here. Many, because they are asking only two parts shaded, 1 and 2, and only in this option there are 2 parts are shaded and total parts are 8. So that means it would be 2 by 8 and answer D is the right one. Very good. It is answer D is the right one. Fine, very good. So many answers are coming and it's D. Very good, very good. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Yes, it's so easy. The last question would be the easy. It's question तो होना ही चाहिए ना. Because many, I think, बहुत सारे सब कोई पूछ रहे थे कि क्लास कब एंड होने वाला है. और some people are asking कि they want to solve some more questions. So for them, the last questions. And you have solved and very good. I'm really very happy because your answer is very right. Okay. 13 is very easy. Yes. So, okay. So, bye-bye. So, next day we'll learn some more interesting topic and solve some more interesting questions. Till then, take care of yourself and practice more questions of Maths Olympiad. Okay. So, good night. See you again. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye. 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 Good night. Hope you enjoyed this class. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye, ma'am. Bye-bye. Good night.